Students, in this video we will learn more about comparison of adjectives. In the first video we learned adding er and est to adjectives to form comparative and superlatives. Now let's see other ways in which we compare the things in the comparative and superlative form. First, comparisons with more and most. In the previous lecture also, I have told you about the use of more and most. We use more with some adjectives in comparative degree and most in the superlative degree. So, we use more for the comparative form and most for the superlative form with some adjectives. Like the adjectives of two syllable adjectives not ending in y or er and adjectives of three or more syllables. Two syllables adjectives, students, we have discussed about one syllable word, two syllable word or more than two syllable word in our previous lecture. Okay, so now two syllable adjectives not ending in y, two syllable adjectives not ending in y or er and adjectives of three or more syllables, we always use more and most. Always remember, we always use more and most with the two syllable adjectives not ending in y or er and also with the adjectives of three or more syllables. For example, like famous, more famous, most famous. Famous is a two syllable word, two syllable adjective. Nervous is also two syllable adjective. Then we add more in the comparative, most in the superlative. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Beautiful is three syllable adjective. Important, important is also three syllable word. So what we have done here, we add more in the superlative, in the comparative and most in the superlative. Students, always remember one thing, that we do not use more or most with an er or est ending. We all know that for the formation of comparative and superlative, we always use er in the comparative and est in the superlative. Okay, but when the word is two syllable or more than two syllable, we use more in the comparative and most in the superlative. So for using this, you have to remember one thing, that we do not use more or most with an er or est ending. For example, see, the strawberry ice cream is tastier than the chocolate ice cream. Not the strawberry ice cream is more tastier than the chocolate ice cream. Okay, remember, if we are using er then, so we cannot use with er more. Okay, this is the wrong sentence. Next, the elephant is the biggest land animal. This is the right sentence, but not the elephant is the most biggest. Okay, so always remember, we do not use more and most with an er or est ending. Irregular comparisons. Some adjectives have irregular comparative and superlative forms. Always remember, students, some adjectives have irregular comparative and superlative forms. We do not add er and est and we do not use more and most for the formation of comparative and superlative. Once again, I am telling you, students, some adjectives have irregular comparative and superlative form without using er and est and more and most. See the examples here. Irregular comparison. Positive, good. Good is an adjective, and in the comparative we use better, in the superlative best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Many, with countable, in the comparative more, in the superlative most. Much, uncountable for uncountable, comparative more, most, superlative most. Old for the people, elder, eldest. And we can also use old with the people and things, older and oldest. These are all the irregular comparison. What irregular comparison? That we are forming comparative and superlative without using er and est and without using more and most. So they are called the irregular comparison. Special adjectives. Some adjectives have two forms of comparison. Some adjectives have two forms of comparison. See the examples here. Like clever, we can write cleverer, cleverest, and also more clever, most clever. Quite, quieter, quietest, more quiet, most quiet. Simple, simpler, simplest, more simple, most simple. Polite, politer, politest, more polite, and most polite. Okay students, one thing I also want to tell you about the use of older and elder. We use elder or eldest only for people. We use elder or eldest only for people, and older and oldest for people, animals and things also. About the use of older and elder, we will discuss in our next video lecture. Thank you students.